If you're not using Moringa in your skincare routine, you may be missing one of the most powerful topical skin vitamins available on Earth. This is not simply another DIY mask. This is targeted, nutrient-dense intervention designed to reduce oxidative stress, support collagen integrity, and improve overall skin function at the cellular level. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and use a Moringa Clay Mask. I'm going to explain the science behind why it works and why it is going to be one of the things you want to add immediately into your daily skincare routine. Moringa oleifera is one of the most nutrient-dense botanicals studied for its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and skin-repairing properties. When combined with this mineral-rich clay, it becomes a functional treatment that supports detoxification, barrier repair, and visible anti-aging benefits. This video is sponsored by my friends at Pura Vida Moringa, a brand that prioritizes clean sourcing, rigorous testing, and quality control, criteria that are essential when using Moringa both internally and externally. So let's begin with how to prepare this mask. To create this mask, you'll need 1 tablespoon clean tested Pura Vida Moringa powder, 1 tablespoon of a clay, filtered rose water. You'll combine the Moringa and clay first, then slowly add liquid until you achieve a smooth, spreadable consistency. This formula is designed to allow the clay to bind to impurities and excess oil, and it also enables Moringa to deliver concentrated nutrients and oxidants into your skin. Moringa functions as a comprehensive skin vitamin due to its dense nutrient profile. Vitamin A supports cellular turnover. Vitamin C promotes collagen synthesis. Vitamin E protects against oxidative damage and stress to the skin. Zinc assists with repair and oil regulation. And the polyphenols reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. This multi-nutrient delivery system allows Moringa to target several aging pathways simultaneously, making it particularly effective in anti-aging protocols. Apply a thin, even layer to clean skin, avoiding the eye area. Here's a key clinical point. You do not want to allow the mask to totally dry and start cracking. Over drying actually will compromise the skin barrier and increase transdermal water loss. Instead, leave it on for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, maintaining slight hydration if necessary. During this phase, the clay is absorbing toxins and debris, and Moringa is delivering anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds to the skin. With consistent use, this mask supports 1. Reduction in oxidative stress. This protects collagen and elastin from premature degradation. 2, its anti-inflammatory activity. It helps to calm redness and any reactive skin. 3, it improves pore clarity. It reduces pore congestion and breakouts along the skin. 4, it enhances skin tone and texture, which promotes softer, more even skin. Number 5, barrier repair and resilience. This amazing mask supports overall skin function and recovery. Remove this mask gently with lukewarm water. Avoid any type of mechanical irritation. And follow this immediately with an estrogen-enhanced cream that you'll apply underneath your eyes and over your face. Then you can follow up with a barrier-protecting, barrier-supportive moisturizer. Post-mask care is essential because the skin is more receptive to hydration and repair at this stage. You can use this mask 1 to 2 times per week depending on your skin type. It's most beneficial for aging, mature skin, acne-prone or pore congested skin, and skin that is exposed to environmental toxins. When used correctly and sourced properly, Moringa becomes far more than a natural ingredient. It functions as a targeted nutrient-based skin therapy. By delivering concentrated antioxidants, essential vitamins, and anti-inflammatory compounds, this single intervention can significantly support skin health, resilience. If you're interested in more clinically grounded, evidence-informed strategies for anti-aging and skin care, beauty care, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't yet, please watch my buyer beware video where I feature Moringa sourcing. Watching this video is essential for understanding how to choose a clean, safe Moringa product. A key critical clinical consideration is quality, and sourcing of Moringa actually matters significantly and more than you probably even realized. Moringa is highly susceptible to contamination, including heavy metals, microbial overgrowth, and in even some cases E. coli, which happens if the Moringa is not properly cultivated and processed. I've covered that in detail in my buyer beware video on Moringa sourcing, which I recommend you watch next.